You have to give the gold bulls their, pat them on the back. Their resilience this week has been unbelievable. And there has been, quite a bit of downward pressure. Obviously, we are all awaiting the NFP figure due out in 25 minutes. But just to brush through gold a little bit, at the moment, it's stuck at its pivot point. Absolutely fine, because obviously traders are awaiting this data coming out. Now, your pivot point today is at 4471. We've been to 4481, so we have blipped it a little bit, but the 9-day moving average at 4483 captured the top side. So if we have a softer NFP figure, so last month was 115, obviously you have to, if it comes down to the median, which we're looking at, I think it's quite a wide range today, but the top side is looking at 85,000. So, quite a move. Now, normally what happens is on a softer figure, the market would rebound. I would say gold would, because the dollar would lose ground. But we have to wait and see if it plays out. Watch the figure, obviously, but have all these levels in mind. What we are seeing is maybe a little head and shoulder pattern forming on the market on gold. Look at the way it's holding this 200-day moving average. One of the reasons that 200-day moving average works so well is because that longer term traders, hedge fund managers, pension fund managers, etc., always look at that 200-day moving average as a trend follower. So at the moment, they are hopeful that gold will improve. But you've got to give it to the sellers. They're knocking the market back each and every time. I would say, to be clear of gold selling pressure, you really need to break above this area here. All this. So you're looking at between 4645, 4660, all that area around here. Obviously, all eyes are poised on the downside with that 200-day moving average, and that's coming in at 4428. If the market does take the figure in a negative way, and we do crash through that 200-day moving average, you will see quite a bit of selling pressure, because the buyers have been buying. Obviously, they don't want to hold it if it's going to go down. So just bear that in mind, okay? Well, I shall await the figure with glee. I am on the fence about gold at the moment. I love the 200-day moving average. I really do. I do like the little inverse head and shoulder pattern. Again, it may be something I'll get involved once all the noises calm down and Wall Street opens. Have a great weekend.